Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video, I'm gonna tell you how to fix Siri not working issue on your iPhone after iOS 18 beta update. So guys, as you all know, Apple has officially released the iOS 18 beta. But after updating to it, many of you are complaining about you're facing an issue of Siri, that your Siri is not working properly on your iPhones and you don't know how to fix this issue. But guys, don't worry, I have got your back. Today in this video, I'm going to tell you how to fix Siri not working issue on your iPhones after iOS 18 beta update. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start our video. Our first and simple step is to check your Siri settings. You have to go to the settings and go to Siri. After this, first make sure that Siri is enabled. You have to go to the listen for and you have to make sure that Siri or Hey search is enabled. After this, you have to do is simply start your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can often resolve these type of issues. To restart your iPhone, you have to open the general, scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting your iPhone, then you have to do is simply check your internet connection. Siri requires an active internet connection to work properly. Make sure your iPhone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network or has cellular data enabled. So guys, after doing these steps and still facing the issue, then you have to simply check your language settings. Siri may not work properly if the language settings are incorrect or if the language you are using is not supported by Siri. So you have to go to the languages and region and you have to make sure then correct them properly. So guys, after trying all of these steps and you're still facing the issue and your still Siri is not working, then I will suggest you to do reset your network settings. Resetting your network settings can sometimes resolve connectivity issues affecting Siri. To do this, you have to simply open the transfer reset icon, tap on reset network settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, these were some simple steps that how to fix Siri not working issue on your iPhones. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe our YouTube channel for upcoming videos and thanks for watching.